SUNKKO 737J usage video. Install fixed welding head. Turn on power switch. We could base on the thickness of welding parts to adjust welding pressure of welding head. Adjusting output current. Setting pulse. Fixed welding head welding small battery pack. The maximum could be welding 4 rows of battery pack. The welding spots are clean and fasten connection. Foot handle control switch. Fixed welding head welding. Spot welders are easy to operate and easy to use. Welcome to buy.